day in a life with a new farm girl. Yeah. These are 2 goats right here, alright?
And they're pregnant.
Are pregnant. Oh my god, I've never pet a goat ever in my life.
Me either.
Oh my god, hold on, show me this. Hold on, let me see this goddamn chicken.
I
I hate the chicken.
Go
That turkey? I don't like that turkey. I don't. Yep, he thought. Oh my gosh, I'm petting a goat. A pregnant goat. Y'all, these are my least favorite. I don't like chicken. Y'all like the chickens? I don't. I like the chickens. Let her get Alright, so now we're gonna go to the dogs. We were just with the dogs though. But we're gonna go be with the dogs.
Because they're so good.
Chime Anues. Bella. Anues.
Great job for behaving.
Who's in trouble?
Bella.
Oh my gosh.
Get back in there.
Yo, so this is Bella. Bella. She not paying me no money.